Hello guys. Do you think blogs are just for lifestyle brands? Think again. A blog on your Shopify store can drive free traffic, build trust, and boost sales. If you do it right, here's how you can use blogging for SEO and long-term growth. So, step 1 is understanding why blogging helps SEO. So, Google loves fresh, helpful content. Blog post lets you target keywords your product's pages can't, like best skincare for dry skin or how to clean white sneakers. Each post is a chance to rank in search and pull in new shoppers. So, use tools like Uber Suggest, Answer the Public, or just Google Autocomplete to find what your audience is searching for. Focus on questions, problems, and trends in your niche. Example, if you sell fitness gear, write about 5 tips for home workouts without equipment. Now, step 3 is optimize every post for SEO. Use your main keyword in the title, URL, first paragraph, and meta description. Break up text with headings, H2 or H3, and always add internal links to your products or collections. Add 1 to 2 relevant images with alt tags to boost SEO and readability. Now, coming down to step 4, you should use the Shopify's blog tool effectively. So from your Shopify admin, navigate to online store and navigate to blog posts. You can also just navigate to pages and you can set up your blog to show on your homepage or menu to get more clicks. Now, step 5 is promoting your blog content. So post it on your socials, include it in the email newsletters, and repurpose it into reels or pins. The more eyeball, the more authority you build, and the higher Google ranks you. So be consistent. One quality post a week is better than 10 rushed ones. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below what blog post idea are you starting with. And I will see you in the next video.